Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Call of Duty mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty mobile game on your device and you will directly be taken into the main menu from which you can start enjoying your various different matches right away. Now, if you wish to log out from your device at any point, whether it may be to switch your account or for whatever other purpose, then in order to do so, just tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from this page, tap on user settings at the left side and now you will see various different options. Now from this page, you will see the logout button at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on this button in order to log out from your account and you will be asked whether you are sure that you wish to log out. Just tap on the OK button to confirm your decision and now this will log you out from your current account within this game right away and you will once again end up within the login page. From here you have the option to continue playing as a guest or log in using your Google account, your Facebook account or your Call of Duty mobile account. Proceed with whichever option you wish in order to start playing once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Call of Duty mobile game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.